Now we'll wait about 15 minutes. What happened? The sun is coming from the east, going to the west. So what's that shadow? Which way is it going? We're going to follow the shadow. When we get to the next direction that the shadow is, it's moving up, you know. It's always going towards the west, so it's going to go towards, you go back towards the east. And let's say in 15 minutes it goes right here. Let's put another stick there.
We made rain.
Anyway, then you take the first stick out, you lay it right straight between it. Okay, so you know the last stick comes from the east, west, north, south. There's your compass right there.
That's right, too.
Made with sticks. You're lost in the woods, you don't have any other way to tell, you can use the sun. Comes in pretty handy.
Sure.